Okay guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to cast a shadow in Create Studio. I made an example over here previous to this recording. You can see her dancing and have a shadow in her background. It's pretty cool. It's kind of lagging a little bit, but yeah, but anyway, it is what it is. This one ain't lagging so much. A lot of weird stuff sometimes happen. Um, but let's go ahead and get started. Just go ahead and pick your character, size them up. I'll put her about there. Um, what you want to do is duplicate the character. The character underneath. I'm sorry. Alright. The character underneath. You want to rename Shadow. Boom. Alright. Go up here and right click and hide. And so now you want to go here. No, I'm sorry. Components and do color correction and drop it to the shadow. For some odd reason, let me rename shadow. Oh, it worked. It's something weird. Okay. So alright. So once you do that, where is my menu? I apologize, guys. I don't know what's going on. Let me drop this again. Here we go. We want to adjust the brightness to 100. Sorry. Negative 100. And as you can see, you want to bring her like that, and then once you get her to a desired position, you want to hold shift key and cast her like that. We're going to bring her down a little bit more. Hold shift key. Now, I'm not going to get this perfect, but this is just for the sake of this video. You guys could adjust it however. Once we got that situated, here we go. Show. And then you want to position your character maybe right on the foot. Select your shadow character. And is it properties? Opacity, yeah. Make it about 65. and boom. Oh no. I made the background opacity. Uh, Here, let me just do this. Uh, okay. Okay, you guys get the point. But, here, let me go back here. 65. Okay. Alright, so let's play our character. So that's how you do the shadow. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell so you wouldn't miss a video. More tips and tricks on softwares, websites, um, walk through Create Studio. Um, so anyway, um, all right, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.